misses out. We've got Asunta De Rio, task to begin. Green Money in the middle, about 7 wide is Iron Chef. Royal Rose, Music West comes next. Karen Dance, Fighting Jack, Cash Macol alongside Bubblegum, Doña Marucha, Maningning, War General, Castaway, while Prospectus Cat is racing in 14th as they lead the straight. Iron Chef by about 4 lengths. Karen Dance now to take second. Danori inside is Green Money. Royal Rose in the middle. And Ori outside. Moving up now comes Music West. About 7 wide. Fighting Jack. 8 wide comes Bubblegum. Next on line, Maningning, Asunta De Rio, Doña Marucha, War General, Castaway, and Prospectus Cat still racing in less. Inside at 3 octavo, we've got Iron Chef by only a length. Bubblegum now moving up Ori outside. And in third, Cash McCall. Fighting Jack is in fourth. Music West, Karen Dance, Royal Rose, War General, Maningning, Green Money, Doña Marucha, Prospectus Cat as they come down at the last 200. Bubblegum by about 4 lengths. Cash McCall now to take second. Moving up Ori outside, Karen Dance and War General. Last 75 meters. Taking it easy. Have a juicy for Bubblegum, War General, Cash McCall.
Red Silks yung pumasok. Sino bang Red Silks doon? Mukhang si Music Quest yata. Anyway, mamaya, tingnan natin kung sino yung pumang-anim. Ang naging preba ni Bubblegum is 13, 25.5, 25.5, 28, 132 ang total time. Imagine,